Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through a very beautiful and trendy collection of Kubera softy fancy soft silk sarees. Beautiful, rich zari woven patterns are there running all over the saree. Tassels attached contrast pallu and borders enhancing the elegance of this collection. And this beautiful collection you are getting in a manufacturing price of 1300 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The states even shipping charges be very less, from 20 maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. For making your order, DM to the given WhatsApp number. Also you can place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links be there in the description. Please avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries to the given WhatsApp number. And also please note our payment mode is through only online. You can either directly transfer to the account or you can do any kind of UPI transactions. And also, if you wanted a quick update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. We are having separate WhatsApp groups for cotton sarees and silk sarees. You can join the like of your choice if you want. The links are given in the description. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.